Okay, we're going to do Avenida de Kwong, and we're kind of near IKEA, and it's a Typhoon night. It's going to be category 8 at 8:30 tonight. Tell you more about that in a little bit. We got some winds coming in already, so we don't know what to expect. But this is kind of our main road straight here, Avenida de Kwong. People are going into the mall, I think getting some last minute shopping as well. And we're going to be going down that way right now. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be a pretty big typhoon. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what time I'm going to put this up online, but we are looking for a typhoon coming up. I'll probably do some typhoon footage later. We'll see what I can produce. Got some winds already. So yeah, it's going to be maybe kind of a big one. That's what they're talking about anyways. Avenida de Kwong right there. There's a sign. Here's a siren already, an ambulance. So yeah, maybe 2017, 2018, we had some pretty massive, strong typhoons where it took down lots of trees and lots of flooding. So we'll see what this one's going to be. There's a fire department going right there. So yeah, we're walking down. It's kind of nighttime right now. People are bracing for the storm, and it's category 3 for most of today. Started with a category 1, and I think it's going to be lingering around for quite a while. So we'll see how it goes. Since we're on the street, we're also doing a street one. Got some electric vehicles now, so you can charge your cars up in some of these spots. So I also see a lot of parking garages too, but here's a little area just for that. I think that one is not even being charged. Maybe just illegally parked? I don't know. That one's being charged. Now we're getting these strong winds in now. So you can also see they're putting some of the barriers up like that. And this is not a low-lying place, so it's not really too much of a concern. A lot of the other businesses, they have these rails that go all the way up. And it looks like a lot of the banks, people have been going to them and stocking up. 24/7 fitness, I guess they're putting up all these, make sure the windows are protected. Oh yeah, they're gonna put up some nice big ones, so they're gonna go all the way down. So they're gonna set that up. That's good because they want to protect that 24/7 fitness without giant holes in it, right? So yeah, they're slowly going through that. So, all right. So you got some of it already blocked already. So yeah, that's one giant fitness center that's usually all lit up all the way down. Okay, so let's keep on walking down the street. So yeah, we're bracing for a pretty big storm coming up. This is IKEA right there, by the way. Minho, which is another street, cross street, so that Minho goes down that way. And then our main road is, and this IKEA is a big shopping mall now. So yeah, the winds are really picking up now. Okay. So yeah, it's another one of our streets, so we'll kind of brace for the storm. And let me see. Kind of debating if I should go over that way. There's a giant hotel right there. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening tonight. I think what I'll do is I'll just walk across the street. So that's our focus street right there. And I don't know when I'm gonna go put this up. But yeah, I forgot to show you Central Park as well. But that's our street right there. Right there, there's Central Park as well, Taipa Central Park. It's going to be pretty windy. You can feel it in the air. So let's just kind of go across real quick.